What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So we are here today at Nora's house. We brought the E982 today. I want to install a little bit of a cosmetic mod. I haven't done really that much cosmetically other than the wheels. I did get a spoiler though. So I ended up getting the spoiler for free. It is a black spoiler, but Nora has some white paint, some Alpine white paint. So I think we're gonna go ahead and paint this spoiler, kind of paint match it to the car, see how that looks. I've never really had a paint match spoiler, so I kind of want to see if I like it on the car, we'll keep it on the car. If I don't like it, I might end up taking it off. But for now, I'm gonna rock it. So let me go ahead and show you guys the spoiler that I got. Alrighty guys, here is the spoiler. So it's nothing really crazy. It's just a basic little black spoiler. I don't know, it looks kind of cool on the back. I mean, it doesn't look too bad as is. I don't know. Ooh, what do you guys think? Nora, what do you think?
What do I think? Let me see.
What do you think, Nora? We got the boy Nora over here.
So we got a gloss black spoiler.
Gloss black. Doesn't look too bad.
So I do like them when they actually have this little indentation here.
Yeah.
Actually, it looks like the carbon wings I normally get. That's
Yeah,
a nice wing.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, definitely needs to get repainted.
Yeah.
We'll get that done right now, but
I think it will look cool paint match though. I think it will actually look better. I mean, right even here, it looks pretty good. I don't know.
I'm not gonna lie.
What do you think?
I like the black.
Kind of like the black. I know, it doesn't look too bad.
Like a, what's it called? It's an accent piece, like a
It is an accent
carbon fiber
piece.
spoiler, you know?
It's just, it sucks because like, I don't have that many black accents. I have a lot of like silver accents with like the wheels and like this trim. So I don't know. Do I want another black?
The thing is, I'm afraid if we do it in white,
it's gonna peel.
It's kind of big. If it's one of those smaller, like the M3 style ones, I think white would be the way to go. Like the one we have on the 135 over there. But because this is a big spoiler. Yeah.
All right, well, let's clean it up and see how it looks cleaned up, because it is a little bit dirty. And I think it came off of Nick's 335 that he has. So, oh yeah, you have the spray right in your hand. Perfect timing.
I'm literally cleaning the 135 as we speak. I mean, it's a little damaged.
A little scratched up.
A little scratched, but I mean, a polish probably would fix this.
It's not too bad. Oh man, now I don't know what to do. I was wanting to paint it.
So the thing is,
oh, see, it has like a scuff right here.
Oh, actually, that comes off.
Is it? Oh,
it
is.
is.
Oh, heck yeah.
Just like that, it is new.
Not too shabby, not too shabby.
You guys need Nora the polishing service.
Woo.
Call me 1-800.
1-800 Nora.
Nora.
1-800 Nora Madi. Oh shoot, it actually looks pretty good like that.
Bro,
gosh dang it.
The extra work when this looks
gosh
great.
Dang it, it does look good.
Yeah. If we went with white, it would have been too much white going on.
Yeah, it might look a little funky.
Yeah, this actually looks great. Put some 3M on there and call it a day, bro.
Let's go inside, grab some 3M tape real quick and put some 3M on the bottom. Oh yeah, also guys, Nora got a 135, nothing crazy, just a quick little flip. Just thought I would show it a little bit since he's not
$5 grand, anyone wants it. I mean, check out this interior for 5 grand.
5K got
just past smog.
Just past smog, has honeycomb trim, guys, that's crazy.
Heated seats, CIC paddles, black interior.
Not too shabby, bro.
Not too shabby, just past smog. That's the main thing, you know.
But anyway, let's go ahead. Let's put some 3M tape on this spoiler real quick, and then go ahead and install that. And then Nora also got the E91 M3. E91 M3 conversion. This is the first time I'm seeing it complete. Looks really, really good, guys. We might take it for a spin in this video as well, just to see how it is. Whew, that looks good. Alrighty guys, I just went to Walmart to go get this 3M tape. It's the extreme one, holds up to 30 pounds. This should be plenty, honestly. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Alrighty guys, so we just got all the 3M tape on there. Now it's ready to be heated up and put onto the car. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alrighty guys, so we are about to heat up the tape so that it actually sticks. Nora has this fancy Milwaukee. You already know. Flex it a little bit, you know.
I need to get sponsored by them, bro.
Yeah, let's go ahead and heat it up real quick. Moment of truth, let's see. There. Alright. I think it's pretty good for the most part.
Is it not?
It's on there.
There's no way you're getting it off, let me tell you that.
Oh, it's on there.
I mean, it looks way better, bro.
A lot better, to be honest.
Sheesh! Finally, your first aesthetic modification other than wheels.
I know.
That looks pretty good, honestly.
Not too shabby.
I'm a huge carbon guy, but this actually still looks really good.
It looks pretty good.
Yes, sir. Definitely need the M Sport kit, bro.
I do.
I'm a huge, like, you can see the 135 with the M Sport bumper over there. Just M Sport. Oh yeah, you need a bumper regardless, bro. So yeah, getting an M Sport would be super sick.
The rear's gonna be easy. The front's the difficult part.
Oh yeah, because that one's like a custom made bumper, right?
Well, no, they're just really hard to find pre-LCI.
Because they're custom, right? They're not OEM?
No. They're OEM.
Do you have them in OEM?
They have OEM, but they're just really hard to find because they're really rare.
That's crazy.
The pre-LCIs are really rare to find.
Also, bro, these wheels look so good, dude.
These look really good.
Sheesh! I see the Save a BMW decals, the Save the manual.
Doesn't it look so sick?
Actually looks super good. I appreciate you repping it.
Of course, I'm gonna get better tint, don't worry.
Oh my lord.
Tint is coming up next.
I need to do tints on the E91 M3 as well. We need to both take it down to juniors, you know?
Look at this.
It's pretty
I think this
pristine.
is this the original one?
This one? No, this is the version 2 right here.
Version 2.
Still
I have the
sick,
version
though.
1 too.
Hey.
Version 1 as well, I should say.
Yeah, I need to start releasing more plates, bro. I only have 3 different versions, but yeah, I think the first gens was one of my favorites.
Ooh, could install this too.
So how do you put these on exactly?
I have no idea.
So some people use 3M, but I don't know how I feel about that. Like, they're supposed to be like clips.
They always break.
Yeah.
I don't know, we might do this in a separate video, but we do have this. So. But yeah, guys, this just it actually looks really good with the black. I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna paint it white, but I think we made the right choice with going with the black for now. We can always switch it up in the future, but man, that does make it look a lot more aggressive in the back now. Whew. Dang, guys, look at that. It's sitting right. Got some nice wheels, suspension. Got a few cosmetic mods. You know, we're making this our own. Alrighty guys, now that we got the spoiler on, I did want to do one more thing in this video. So if you guys look down here, there's a huge scuff mark from the previous owner or whoever had this car previously. It's been really bugging me that it pops up in photos and videos that I take of the car. So I think what I'm gonna do is I might sand it down and I'm gonna use that spray paint, and I'll show you guys the spray paint that Nor has. Alrighty guys, so this is the Alpine white paint that Nor had. Just to make sure you guys can see, it says Alpine Weiss 3. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. But let me go ahead and show you guys also what I have on the car so you guys know that it's matching. So if you look underneath the hood of my car, over here it says Alpine Weiss 3. So it is matching, it's the same exact paint. So we are going to sand just a little bit of that part of the bumper and then paint this real quick. It should look better than how it is anyway. Luckily it is on the bottom, so not too noticeable. Alrighty guys, and 15 minutes later, you can kind of see it when you're up close, but I mean it looks a lot better than what it was. Yeah. I mean, it's all good. This bumper, I mean, regardless, we're either gonna put a lip on it or I'm gonna get M Sport, whichever one I can find first. Like if you look at a distance, you can barely tell. Like it looks kind of like normal almost. So it is a little bit of a beat up bumper on the bottom, but most bumpers are, so I'm not really worried about it. And don't worry guys, in one of these next few videos, we're gonna be getting custom headlights. Probably there's a little bit of a crack on the headlight itself somehow. We're getting custom headlights here, and like nice upgraded custom headlights. Nothing cheap eBay, like professionally done custom headlights. So really excited about that. But yeah guys, we're getting some good work done today. We got the spoiler installed, and then we also fixed that little bit of a front bumper scratch, scuff, whatever you want to call it. It was pretty bad. It was starting to bug me, so I'm glad at least we got it covered. But now I think we're gonna go ahead and take a ride in this thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into that. Alrighty guys, so this is Nor's custom E91 M3. So it actually has an S65 in it. And for those of you who don't follow Nor, you should be following Nor. I'll link his channel down below. But yeah, he's about to start it up. Bruh, that's freaking sick. Bro, I haven't seen it driving.
Oh, yeah?
I've never seen it drive. Listen to that, V8 E91, jeez. Bro, I missed this wrap. So guys, this is like Dragonfire red wrap. I used to have this on my F30 and I really love this wrap color. It's not like a normal little red, it has like some orange tint to it, but man, it looks so good. Bruh, I know I've seen it multiple times, but I've never seen it fully wrapped.
You haven't seen its completion.
I know. Jeez, look at that.
That looks sick.
That's freaking crazy, bro.
Obviously the car is in multiple colors, but the color that we're gonna end up painting the car is the color I ended up, what's it called?
Yeah.
It's the color I actually painted the engine bay.
So it's gonna be this orange color eventually.
Yeah, but in the meantime, because of budget reasons,
yeah,
a wrap will suffice. Plus we need to get through all the inspections and stuff and getting it legal in California. That's gonna be a process, and there's gonna be a lot of people touching this car. So I prefer, you know, just wrapping it for now.
Noah did a whole conversion on his channel, like every single thing he's done to this. So go check that out. I'll leave that link down below if you guys are interested. Bruh.
Is that pretty cool?
What the frick? That's crazy. Dude, this thing is sick. I haven't actually been in this thing since like you first got it when it was a 328.
It still needs a lot of work, but I just released the video of the V1 version being done, and the reason why I did a V1 version is because I know this car is gonna take me forever to perfect it. You know, so I want to at least get a version 1 out there, enjoy it, and throughout the process of enjoying the version 1, I'll be upgrading to get the version 2, especially the steering wheel. That's the first one I'm putting in here. Look at that crusty steering wheel. So yeah, I'm gonna putting that in I think tomorrow. So maybe even today. Maybe even today. We'll see.
Dang, bro, you drive?
We're driving a car that your friend that you knew since a kid built from the ground up.
That's crazy.
Do you trust this?
Yeah. Oh, what the frick?
Feels good.
What the heck, bro?
Now,
that's freaking sick.
When we get up to some higher speeds, unfortunately, it starts vibrating because I have all 4 wheels are bent.
Ugh.
I got this set off another car and all 4 wheels are bent, so that kind of sucks.
Yeah,
holds air though, so it'll be fine for now. So all these buttons work too because I got the M3 harness.
Oh,
so I click power.
That's quick, bro.
Did you?
Yeah,
I know.
I saw it pop up. I forgot.
I forgot to put the screws in this guy. The navigation almost landed in our hands.
That's freaking hilarious. I mean,
it's torquey though, huh?
It feels pretty torquey for an S65. Oh my lord. It feels pretty torquey for an S65.
Yeah.
Oof, bro. I don't know. Next car, I might get E92 M3 and match.
I have owned a couple of these now, and that's the reason why I built a wagon of this platform.
And it's fast, and we can take the kids to school in it. So you know, it's got the wagon.
Exactly. I think you can put your ski stuff in here.
Oh my gosh, bro. This is the ultimate, like, what's it called? Ultimate road trip vehicle right here.
Do you smell that S65 oil?
I smell it. And it smells like an S65. Guys, if only they made an E91 M3 wagon from the start.
Facts. Like, this car should have been made. I know. I like how BMW tried fixing their mistake by the new G80. They made them a wagon now.
But it's only Europe.
Yeah, that sucks.
It's so stupid.
Apparently, there's no market here for wagon M3 owners.
There's barely any market for wagons anyway. But like,
yeah,
it sucks. Wagons are cool. Wagons are cool, guys. Buy some more wagons so we can have some more cool wagon cars. This is sick though. Dang. Alright guys, we just got back. First drive with the E91 M3. That was pretty sick. Huge shout out to Nora. Go check out his channel down below if you guys want to see more E91 M3 content. But for now guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. We put on the spoiler. It looks really good. Actually, I'm looking at it from way over here. And it looks pretty good. It's kind of hard to see. Spoiler is on there. I actually kind of dig how it looks. The black is actually the move for some reason. I don't know, it looks really, really good. We also fixed that little bumper issue, just kind of spray painted it with the Alpine white spray. So not too bad. Definitely looks better than what it was. It's not the best. I honestly plan on doing bumpers. If I find a good deal on white M Sport bumpers, then I'm gonna buy those. For now, I'm gonna rock it like this. With that being said, guys, make sure to check me out on Instagram. Make sure to check out Nor on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe down below, guys. I would really, really appreciate that. And with all that being said, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I'll catch you guys later.
Back on deck on my fly, really on my, pay some respect to my mindset, head blowing smoke, catch a contact.